Social media privacy involves the right to personal privacy online regarding multimedia content received and shared. Globally, the core issues regarding social media privacy faced are leakage of personal data, objectionable content, personal opinions regarding sensitive issues, hackers, cyberbullies, and online sexual predators, content of anarchist or extremist natures. In 2016, the National Assembly in Pakistan passed cybercrime laws called the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act. With respect to the law, major social media privacy issues in Pakistan are sharing and posting Islamophobic content and criticizing blasphemy law, criticism of judiciary and armed forces or provoking anti-state mindset, stirring ethnic, religious and sectarian tensions, sharing objectionable content.